So, peeps, we have become a society where it is safe to trust no one. You understand? And some persons in Jamaica have this tendency to be lost in their phones on the road and I walk like some zombies. Not cognizant or aware of their surrounding and what is happening around them. We seen a lady, well, she's not on her phone. Apparently, she's just coming from work. I guess she's probably changing her shoe, about to go home, probably after a long day of work. You can realize that the road here is a road that is used regular, as you may have seen vehicles making the right turn here. So she would have changed her shoes, walking home, probably. I think when she are going to go cook for her family, say her brother, you know, him look like him get a call from somebody. That me a pray, you understand? Watch your brother where come crash on the road cross, so you understand? Me not like how the brother they look. Saying so, well, him probably pretend him up on him phone still. You know, the MO like something now go on. Look how fast him walk back at the woman and how close him walk to. So the woman, I look through her side view mirror and like she suspects that something now go on. You understand? This brother is a stroll along. Him know not yes him. You understand? Something wrong about it. That brother. Seeing more vehicles on the road. So him just a stroller come. Nothing in a world. Him observe. I smoke something and he might look down the lane there. I see what go on if anybody come. You understand? Look on him movement, look on him disposition. Alright, the red car park is for a while because me edit the video while you see it. This car come here so got away, they come here so come stop. You understand? This is a turn off. This is a turn off. So why am I black this? Alright. Lady come back on screen, you know. I walk look fast. A brother still a walk. Still a going like him on him phone. More vehicle are come. Him can't make no move yet. You understand? The lady now really her spidey senses a tingle. So she change her side of the road. You understand? The brother you know look on the vehicle you saw. Where them there saw so long ago. I don't know where him grab something fall off. Or next lady this a come in a broad daylight and them and them no business. Well she got up with her bags. You understand? So I don't know exactly where the brother get. Some people come out from over here so now like them never hear the lady a scream. This a brother you know just cool, calm and collected. No rush, no fuss. You understand? Just look on the brother run past him and gone. A good Samaritan and this a vehicle I find out what go on. This a lady I say she got no she it happened to. You understand me? I said this a red van here still now move. What is the purpose of this red van here? You understand? So celebrate. Alright, see him and watch him. I come just step to the side, just look on him casual like him know him run gone down. So you understand what me I say. So that brother there in a brown bag, to me feel like I him make the call. You understand? One lady I come from work. Step out. You see me? So I right down you see him come from first and come across the road and no peeps. You have to be careful on the road. You can't take nothing for granted. You understand? No matter how many times you walk the road, no matter how many times you use it, you have to be careful because some people out there don't want to work and them are wicked. I'm glad to the lady alright. I'm gone. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.